how to change Gemini voice on your Google Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 and other Pixel 8 series. By default, set the Google Gemini voice on your device. To change it, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Tap the Google at the top. Make sure your device running the latest Android 15 version to use this feature. Tap the Google. Now tap on the All Services tab. Now scroll down. Tap the Search Assistant and Voice option. Tap on it. Now here you can find both Google Assistant and Gemini. Manage setting for Gemini, your AI assistant. Tap the Gemini option to change the Gemini voice to female on your Android and other latest Android 15 version. Tap the Gemini. Now here you can find the Gemini's voice. Choose how Gemini will sound. Tap on it. Now here you can see the list of different available voice. Make sure internet is working on your device to use this feature. So internet, here we turn on my Wi-Fi. Just go back. Tap the Gemini's voice. Here
I'm
you
ready
can
to be
see.
your voice. If you like what you hear, choose me to start talking.
Tap the arrow
Feel free to keep
change
exploring
the Gemini's
until you
voice.
find the perfect.
You can always change voices later.
If you're curious about the other voices, swipe to explore.
It's good to meet you. Give me a chance. Or
Maybe I'm your style. Pick me and I can be the voice you... I'd be honored to be the voice you choose.
Choosing a voice is tricky, but hopefully it's also fun.
Maybe I'm the voice that's right for you, but there are quite. I'm another voice in the mix. I'll be here when. Maybe I'm the voice that's right for you.
So this is the list of Gemini's voice. So you can change Gemini voice to female or male on your Android 15 or all Pixel device running the Android 15. So select the option you want to set as a Google Gemini voice on your Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold and other Pixel devices. That's it. Please like it, share it.